exclude it from another libraries. About that for the digitization studies and processing metadata and
C'était donc graduer si bien les effets qu'ils puissent entretenir et renouveler mes douleurs sans cesse.
Energy, passion, enthusiasm. Spice it up with humor, relax, behave.
A motor needs a drive.
And imagine the future, that libraries are the motor for change.
Advocacy, as it is a matter of persistent concern for today's librarians.
Fake news and the spread of misinformation is a huge problem.
And I ask to the people and they say, well, it's very difficult because you have to change the world. Okay, how can I change it? Oh. Well, I find that the best way to change the world is being a librarian.
Which profile? The real librarian, the current librarian, the librarian who is working with you nowadays, every day, who is called to make the change happen.
Wrocław, globalna vizija.
Wrocław, mostovi.
Wrocław, IFO spaja ljude.
Wrocław, inovativnost i zajedništvo.
Wrocław, kanali i arhitektura.
Wrocław, bibliotekari iz celog sveta.
Wrocław, naporno, ali lepo.
Wrocław, Poljska Venecija.
Wrocław, Šarenil.
Wrocław, 1000 ideja. Vroclav, korisni kontakti.
What's
Bravo.
Naporno, ali vredno truda.
Vroclav. Inspirativno.
Wroclaw by night. Wroclaw. Mladost, radost. Wroclaw. Ifla Blitz, wow.
Wroclaw. Changing the world.